Everybody, Markov Yuri here, and today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Yuri. It's from a video called Sudden Diarrhea, vertical bracket TW Diarrhea, Farts and Growling Sounds. It was played on July 18, 2023. The duration of the sound effect is 109 to 118. The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop in poof. But I have to poop it out. Air. Phew, that felt so good letting it out. It's really big. Remember kids, make sure you use the farting sound effect when you need to go to the bathroom.